Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the FIFA World Cup in EA Sports FC. While there isn't an official World Cup mode due to licensing, you can still create an incredibly immersive experience. The only way to truly simulate this prestigious event is by setting up a custom tournament. This allows you to handpick international teams and design a competition that closely mirrors the real-world format, offering a unique and personalized journey to glory. To begin your World Cup journey, first head to the main menu and select the Tournaments option. From there, you'll want to choose Create New Tournament to start building your custom competition. Make sure to pick Custom Tournament as your type. This gives you full control over the structure, allowing you to include group stages followed by thrilling knockout rounds, just like the actual global event. Next, it's time to populate your tournament. You should add 32 international teams to accurately reflect the World Cup format. Don't forget to configure your match settings, such as the difficulty level and the length of each half, perhaps 10 minutes per half. You can also select a grand stadium for your final match and meticulously assign teams to their respective groups for an authentic group stage draw. Once everything is set up, it's time to kick off your very own World Cup. Dive into the action, playing through the intense group stages, aiming to qualify for the knockout rounds. Each victory brings you closer to the ultimate prize. Compete fiercely in the final match, and if you triumph, you'll lift the virtual trophy, enjoying the immersive and rewarding experience of international football glory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.